Happy Labor Day, at least it is for me. I spent my day putting up the video. I did the editing and everything today, did the video yesterday. Today's now Monday, shot it on Sunday, edited, yeah. We did the power steering pump and all that fun stuff yesterday. But last night, 10:30, our systems at work kind of went south and I had to make a beeline to the data center, which it probably saw more views than it will on a normal daily basis. So afterwards, I did like a quick leak check, that kind of thing. I think I had one hose that was a little not quite well seated or something. And then I had another one that I just realized in the editing. It's actually not fully seated at all. So we're gonna go fix that and probably do like an oil change and some other stuff. Boring stuff, I guess. We also got that fender roller, which I barely acknowledged on whatever day, yesterday. But yeah, I did buy a fender roller, and the plan with that is that we're gonna roll the rear fender a little bit just so I can get a little bit more clearance and stop slightly rubbing tire. And we're gonna lower the front end and eventually get an alignment. However, the plan was to do it last night, but we ended up going swimming instead because it was hot. So either way, enough backstory. We appear to have developed a new leak. Dun dun dun. Let's go take a look. That's new. But what is it? Let's go find out. Some wet stuff right here. Oh look, it's engine oil. Look, it's all the way down the side. Is it engine? No, it's coolant. See it coming off the housing. Fun stuff. Is it in fact coolant? It's water. But look, that's oil. Why do we have oil down here? I have to take a look. Get back to you. Somebody at Garrett, can you send me a 3076R, please? You will forever have my allegiance. I really, really need it soon. That came from my filter on this oil change. Oh, crap. So, oil change is done on the RSX. As I posted on Instagram. Bro, between that and the mosquitoes, I am really annoyed right now. But oil change is done. As well, filter is done. No leaks. Mosquito right there. Get him? No? He's taunting me. Yeah, okay, so with that note, fun. I'm gonna scream. I'm legitimately gonna scream. Please, Garrett, I'm begging you. Turbo by Garrett. I'll put my whole rear window as a banner for Turbo by Garrett for all of 2019. I'll do it. Somebody at Turbo or at Turbo by Garrett. I've already done it once. I need help. Also gonna need like intercooler, manifolds, bunch of stuff. I think that's just gonna end this video. So this will just be a short midweek video of me getting eaten by mosquitoes, featuring an oil change, featuring Flake of some sort. I don't think it's gold anymore. I think it's silver, which means it's bearing material of some sort, or rings. I'm eating a lot. I'm getting eaten a lot. I need to go inside. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, because it's going to help me get turbos faster and hopefully build a machine that'll suck in and kill mosquitoes, because freaking things are eating me alive. Go away. I got to go before I get malaria. So until next time, take it easy, and we'll see you later.
I'm a true champion.